This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Haxshadow. I hope you're all doing great. Over the past few months, we've covered several tutorials on how to use different AI models for free. However, many of those methods no longer work as reliably as they used to, and some of the models have become limited or unavailable. That's why today I'm bringing you a brand new method that lets you access multiple AI models for free from one place. I've been testing these models myself, and one of them has quickly become my favorite, especially for bug bounty research, security testing, coding, and other technical tasks. The performance has been surprisingly impressive. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set everything up, how to access these models for free, and how they perform in real-world use cases. If you're into AI, cybersecurity, or software development, you won't want to miss this one. So, let's get started. As you can see, we need to copy this installation command directly from their website. Next, open your terminal, paste the command, and run it to install the tool on your system. The installation should only take a few moments. Once it's finished, we'll connect it to the AI models, configure everything properly, and make sure it's working as expected. Let's go ahead and set it up. As you can see, all the settings are configured step by step on the screen. You can simply follow the same process and apply the exact settings on your own system. Just configure everything as shown, and you'll be ready to start using the tool without any issues. Once the setup is complete, we'll move on to testing the models and exploring what they can do. All right, the setup is now complete and everything is ready to go. Now, it's time to test it out and see how well it actually performs. We'll try a few different tasks, switch between several available AI models, and compare their responses. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Kimchi K2 model, since it has delivered some of the best results in my testing, especially for coding, technical research, and security-related workflows. Let's select the model and put it to the test. Now, let's run a few more tests using a practice website designed for security testing. We'll start by asking the model to analyze the application for potential XSS, cross-site scripting, vulnerabilities. After that, we'll have it check for possible SQL injection, SQLI issues as well. The goal is to see how well the model can assist during a security assessment and whether its suggestions are accurate and useful. As always, any findings should be verified manually rather than accepted at face value. Let's see how it performs. As you can see, the model successfully identified a potential XSS issue and provided a detailed explanation of its findings. Next, I asked it to analyze the same application for possible SQL injection or SQLI vulnerabilities. After a short while, it completed the analysis and returned its results. I also requested that it identify and list the relevant URLs related to its findings, and it was able to generate those as well. Overall, the model did a great job assisting with the analysis. Just remember that AI-generated findings should always be validated through proper testing before drawing any conclusions, since AI can sometimes produce false positives or miss important details. This makes it a powerful assistant for security research, not a replacement for manual verification. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you want to see next.